Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Tinder can't delete account problem. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when Tinder won't let delete your account. First, make sure your Tinder app is fully updated. Open the Play Store, search for Tinder, and if you see an update button, tap it and wait for the installation to complete. Once updated, open the app and head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then select the gear icon in the top right to access settings. Check if you have any active subscription and turn them off if needed. Next, scroll down and tap Logout, then select Forget Me on this device. Log in again with your email or phone number. Now return to Settings. Scroll all the way down to find the Delete Account button. Tap it, choose Delete My Account, and finally tap Skip in the top right corner. Your account should now be successfully deleted. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.